Hey guys, welcome. This is how to remove a passcode from iPhone. So, first is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. Now, once you are on the settings over here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here Face ID and passcodes. So, go ahead and tap on it. And after that, provide your current passcode over here. Now, once you have provided it, as you can see, you will have an option over here about Face ID and passcode. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see here, turn passcode off. So from here, you will have this pop-up that ensuring that if you want to turn off your passcode, slightly tap turn off. And after that, just simply provide your Apple account password over here. Now, once you have provided your account details, provide your current password. And now, once you have provided it, just simply wait for it to be loaded up. And after that, as you can see, you can turn off the iCloud keychain like mine, where I have to sign in into an account and remove the password. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.